To edit videos on Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open Gallery app on your device. Next step is to select the video that you want to customize. So you can either click on menu and go to the videos. That way you will only filter it by videos and you can just select whichever one you like. Here, click on create button, and I would recommend to go for a movie. When you enter a movie, it will open a studio which allows you to edit those videos. And there's multiple ways to do it. You can add text, add a different image or videos to it to make something like presentations. You can add specific music or a soundtrack. You can also edit it with different scripts like this. And you can also add emojis. So just experiment with it. There's a lot of features, and when you're ready, just make sure to save the video by going back and then save movie right here in different resolution and also different file type. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.